Hi, this is Dr. Liu. So this video is an introduction to the RC time constant lab and basically discharging a capacitor. So we have this is a function generator. This is a power source of the lab. Let's turn up the brightness a little bit. We'll turn that back down. So this is a resistor decade box. This is a capacitor. So the way to wire this up is coming from the red into the one side of a resistor box, out of the other side of the resistor box, a black, and then another black from the capacitor, then back to the power supply, the function generator. So this is a complete circuit. Current just flows through this whole thing back in there. And the this scope is just a voltmeter to monitor voltage. So let's see how to hook up the scope. The scope has two channels. Let's push this back so we can see the two channels. Each one has a red, and I only had one black on one of the channels. I had it on channel 2 because the two blacks are actually connected internally. So I just need one of them to be connecting to the black side, well, the right black side of the capacitor. So let's do this connection. Okay, and the two channels are supposed to monitor the voltage and across the whole thing, which is channel 1. So channel 1's red can just go to the decade box red, so very far left. And it's difficult to see what's on the screen, so let's try and decrease the brightness a few times. Okay, that's already as dark as we can. Let me see if I can angle it. This is a little better. So we can see kind of a square shaped wave here. So that and then down, up. Okay. So that's a square wave. Let's move that wave up so we can see the bottom of the wave to confirm that it is indeed a square wave. Yeah. So there we go. We can see the bottom. Now we confirm it's a square wave. All right. And then the second channel's red will go to the left side of the capacitor. That's the opposite side of the side I have hooked up the black of the two channels. So that goes over here. And let's see what's showing up here. I'll have to do an adjustment. Okay, here it is. So this is the discharge curve. As you can see, there's some curves, right? Not straight lines overlapping. So that's a discharge curve. And the left half is the part that we're studying. The right half is charging back up, right? So that's how you would connect the wires. So let's stop this. We'll have another video on how to configure the function generator.